Now I'm giving to this to me, money. Money! Your pamasko mo, money. And I'm Roger, and I'm giving Christmas bata sa all of the, kind of, thank you very much. Nananagasa kasi yun. He's making broom broom. It's Christmas. Oh, inanak! Inanak! Your Christmas gift! Your Christmas gift! Ibibigyan natin ng regalo sa mga bata. Your Christmas gift! Inanak! This is now for my, because the Christmas is very, very rainy, so I give only today the Christmas, okay? Wag yan. Yan, bad boy. Adi pa ako inanak. Teka lang, anay, nagbibidyo ako! Hindi ka, mamaya ka na. So may inaanak. This is my inaanak, John Mark. I will give like me to TikTok. Thank you very much. It's very, very flat here. There's no government. Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte, only their money only. Me, I'm giving to the people. Me, giving to the all the street children. No quarrel like the big people. Sara and Bongbong. Me giving a good disibutiko. We are flat here, and I'm a good Santa Claus. And I have a reindeers in my head, like this. Okay? Hi.